just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Okay, so before we start the video, I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to tell you guys why we're doing what we're doing today, okay? So, I'm currently redoing my room, which by the way, that video will be up on my channel sometime, maybe last Sunday of August. I don't know yet, but watch out for that. But if you guys remember my old filming setup, you guys know that I changed these two frames. So I used to have like the little gold frames there. So now I have these two, and the goal is to have a black and white portrait of my mom and I in one, and then a black and white portrait of myself and my dad in one. So that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna do my mom's makeup, take some photos, and by the end of this video, you guys are going to see the photo in that frame. So let's get started. Let go. Hi guys. Hi. Good night, good hi. Why do you always go hi like this? You go hi. Alright, so we're going to start off with skincare. I'm using the Ran lactic acid toner to tone her face. I'm going to list all the products down below, so don't even worry about it. So toner is important because, as you guys can see, my mom is suffering from hyperpigmentation on her face. She's seen dermatologists, they've given her stuff, but it still keeps coming back. Next, we're using a vitamin C serum, again, for that brightening effect in order to help get rid of the hyperpigmentation. But yeah, like I was saying, she's had it for years. She's tried few prescriptions from a dermatologist, and it keeps coming back. So now she's essentially just managing it, wearing her sunscreen and all that good stuff. Next, I'm using my Purity moisturizer, and this is more on the dewier side. So I want her face to be dewy, you know, youthful, glowy. So that's what we're going for right now. And you want to massage it into the skin as well as under the eyes and all that good stuff. And I'm going to go in with the sunscreen because, of course, you know sunscreen is very important, especially if you're going outside. You don't want to damage your skin any further. Next, I'm using this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. It gives this beautiful glow and is so good for the skin. As you guys can see, before skincare, after skincare, skin is glowing and ready for us to start our makeup look. So first things first, primer. I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime her face. And this is a semi-matte primer, so a soft matte, so it's not gonna leave her face looking super matte, but then also it's not gonna leave it looking oily. Next, I'm going in with the LA Girl Color Corrector just to correct the hyperpigmentation so that when I put foundation on her skin, it does not peek through. And as you guys can see, because of the hyperpigmentation issue, her neck and her body is way lighter than her face. So I'm going to be mixing these two colors to get close to her skin tone color as possible. So not her face color, but more so her neck / her actual body. So I'm going to mix it in together, take your time. And I sprayed my brush with the Morphe Continuous Spray, which is more of a dewy spray. So I want her face to be glowy, youthful, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to take my time, and when I'm blending the foundation, I'm basically just dabbing it so that it stays in place as opposed to moving it around, because I want it to cover the hyperpigmentation, but I also don't want it to look cakey. So that's the secret. So use as little as possible and just dab it in. And then I go in with her under eye, and this time around I'm using the lighter color just to brighten her under eye before I go in with concealer. All right, next I use a beauty blender to blend everything in to make sure that there's no like brush streaks or anything like that. And then for concealer, I'm using the Fawn LA Girl concealer. I'm gonna put in her under eye, her nose, bridge of her nose, her chin, and her forehead for that highlight effect. Again, I sprayed her face with the Morphe Continuous Spray before I started to blend because I wanted the concealer to look dewy. So go ahead, take your time and blend. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm going to go in with the Morphe Banana Setting Powder, and I'm going to use a brush just to lightly set it. I'm not going to bake her face, but I'm going to leave a little bit of an excess powder on as I do her brows and her eye and all that good stuff. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out at the end. So not a lot like in baking. Next, I'm using the Sephora Micro Soft powder. It's a really fine face powder. I'm going to list the name down below. And I'm going to use that to set the rest of her face. All right, next I'm using my bronzer, Morphe Bronzer. It's like a bronzer and a contour powder mixed together. And I'm going to lightly contour her. I don't want to overdo it. Just something that is age appropriate, that is going to help shape her face, but then not make her look like a drag. You know what I mean? And then just buffer everything in, and make sure you buffer the scarf area, because I played myself and I didn't buffer that. I'll show you guys at the end. But yes, onto the brows. Brushes her brows. You know, her brows are not done right now because of the lockdown, so excuse it. I'm going to go in with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'm going to set the brow in place and wait for it to dry. Then I went in with the Fawn concealer to carve out her bottom brow first before filling it in. So that way I get an actual shape that is not too dramatic, because if I try to create a shape, I might make it too dramatic. So that's what I did. And then I go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in chocolate, and then I begin to lightly fill in her brows, super lightly. My mom has beautiful brows naturally. It's just that she didn't get them done. So I was able to at least get her shape. And then brush everything to make sure it's all blended, and onto the eyes we go. Again, setting it with a little Fawn concealer, just very lightly, nothing too much. And then next, I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place Morocco orange eyeshadow. I'm going to put that on the outer corners a little bit, not too much. Like, the eyes are so easy because my mom usually does not wear eyeshadow, so I wanted to give her something but then not overdo it. Anyway, blend that into the crease and whatnot. And then after that, I'm going to use a shimmery orange color to put on her lid. So when we were done putting this, as you guys will see later on, I was not feeling it. So I went over it with another neutral color. But I'll show you guys in a bit. Right now, it looks good. Anyway, going to go ahead and line her lash line with Maybelline Gel Liner in black. And because she has a matured skin, of course, I didn't want to make the liner too dramatic, so I went in with a shadow just to buffer the liner. So it's still on the darker side, looks like a liner, but it's not as dramatic or harsh as black, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. So we're going to go ahead, put on some mascara. And this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in black. My mom does not wear anything on her lashes. No mascara, no shadow. So this was an interesting thing. So I didn't bother putting on false lashes on her because I know she would not like it. Anyway, I go back with the Sephora Microsoft Mill Powder, and then I buffer out the under eye powdered area. We were cracking jokes, we were laughing for hours. I had so much fun doing this. I'm using the Sephora Blush Palette. I'm going to list the name down below. And I mixed two colors, like a matte mauve color and more like a champagne color. And just to give her a little bit of color on her cheekbones. If you guys watched the video I did with her 3 years ago, you guys will know that my mom does not like her cheekbones. It feels like when you contour it, it makes you look like a hungry child. So I lightly contoured and lightly blushed it. So it's not going to be super contoured or like chiseled. Anyway, she is glowing to the gods, and I'm loving everything about this look. Cracking more jokes, laughing her faces off, because that's what I love to do with my mama. And then set her face with the Morphe Continuous Spray to give her face that dewy look. And as you guys remember, I said I'm not going to put lashes on her because as matured skin, some people like to wear lashes. My mom doesn't, so I didn't put it on her. Lining her lips with Morphe Lip Liner in Bar. And then I went in with this NYX Lip Lingerie color. I'm going to put it down below. And then mixed it with Abu Dhabi from NYX. And then went over it with this Morphe Gloss in the shade Friendly. And that was a very quick makeup look. And then I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about earlier. So the orange, I felt like it was too much for her. So I went in with this like shimmery color in my bronzer palette and just blended it out to tone it down a little bit. So my mom was more comfortable in that. And then just highlight her brow bone, just a little, nothing dramatic. Like the look is very subtle, but it makes her look 10 years younger. I go in with my MAC highlighter and then give her cheekbone that glow to the gods, because, you know, I feel like as matured skin, if you are able to look glowy, dewy, reflect light, you end up looking very youthful and very young versus like super matte and powdery, which will age you even more. And I lightly contoured her nose, and that's pretty much it. And I contoured the nose with the bronzer, by the way. And that's it. Super duper easy, and she loved it. She was feeling herself, y'all. She was feeling herself. And then I quickly did my own makeup because, like I told you guys, we're shooting the portrait for my frame. So, and this is the finished look, guys. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Do you like your makeup look?
Yes, I like it.
Perfect. So now, guys, we're gonna shoot some portrait shots. By the time this video is over, you guys are going to see us together in there. Those empty frames behind us, that's why we're doing this. So yeah, we're gonna start our shoot right now. Are you excited?
I'm highly excited.
Why are you talking like that? I'm highly excited. You're supposed to talk like you talk normally. I am highly excited. Okay, God. So, are you excited?
I'm highly excited.
There you go.
I'm Bali.
No. I am highly givable. I'm highly excited. Let's zoom into my mom. It's not about me today. It's about her. There, look at the camera and smile one more time. I'm trying to direct her on how to pose and show you guys her makeup look. Okay. Alright guys, video is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog-ish doing my mom's makeup flex. It's all done. The frame is no longer empty and it makes me so happy. Oh, my favorite people right now on my wall. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up, okay? Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna be happy.